Well, the corn and sorghum harvest are underway and soybean harvest is just right around the corner. So Kim, with all that in mind, what's happening with prices?
Well, if you look at the corn market, we dropped off from $5.50, that's for harvest delivered corn, down to around $4.50 up. It's up around $4.65, somewhere in that range. You look at what's going on around the world in corn, you're looking at record corn production in the world and in the United States. So, well, the world is just right at that record. You look at any stocks, they're increasing for both the world and the United States, and they're above average, and that's why we have these prices down around $4.65. Remember, the average Oklahoma harvest price is $4.80. If you're looking at the soybean market, we're looking at record production in the United States, about right at last year, but record world stocks. We're looking at increasing ending stocks for the world, decreasing ending stocks for the United States. So you'd expect relatively high bean prices. Our average somewhere around $10.90 to $11 at harvest time. We're looking at $12.50, $12.60 right now for soybean prices.
So let's shift to input costs now. You know, past couple of years we've been following it. Fertilizer and fuel costs are really high. Are those prices coming down at all?
Well, fertilizer prices have came down. Fuel prices came down, but they're still relatively high. You look at 4600, now this is in northern Oklahoma, about $5.30 a ton. 2800 around $300. 1846 around $670. If you're looking at diesel prices for the farm diesel, around $3.85, and then road diesel around $4.15. So we've got our fuel prices staying high, possibly getting higher, and our fertilizers down, but I think they've stabilized at these ranges.
You know, producers are getting out, cleaning up their fields, getting ready for wheat planting if they're not already planting. So what's 2024 wheat prices looking like?
Well, if you look at the 2024 prices, somewhere around $6.50, a little higher in the Panhandle, a little lower, probably 20 or 30 cents in southern Oklahoma. Current price around $6.65, around the same in the Panhandle, again lower. If you look what's causing these prices, you've got near record world production, essentially about the same as last year. In the United States, our production, of course, 1.75 billion, our average around 1.8, last year 1.65. Throwing out those numbers like that, I think the important thing is that world ending stocks are going down, while U.S. ending stocks are going up a little bit. They're both below average, and I think that's why we have above average prices.
We just need a little more rain.
That's going to help, and we need that 24 crop to look good and a relatively good price.
All righty, thanks, Kim. Dr. Kim Anderson, grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University.